Hi guys, hope you are doing well. Welcome to the Shiba Vision Educational YouTube channel. In the last class, we are talking about the all sub tabs under the uh, file tabs in STATA. In today class, I'll teach you about the edit tab and some of the portions of the data tab. Okay. In the edit tab, these options are not showing because there is no data sets in this starter. So for this, uh, I'll take example data sets from this data. It is already there in Stata. So example data set installed in Stata. Then go for any other. I am going for census data. Okay. Then if when I click on use, then data will uh, appear here. See, data is appear here. Okay. Now see, it is also not coming still now. Okay. So now we need to tab one variable or more than one variable. Okay. For example, I press tab for what state. Okay, tab, and now see the result comes here in the output area. Okay, now you can see option is also not showing. Eh, when we when we when we select this area, then you can go for edit tab. You can see the all options are visible to us. Okay, copy table only. It is like this. If you can copy this, it will paste in a word or Excel is like same. Okay, then copy table is html that the when we are when we are pasting it in browsing site like html file. Okay, then copy as a picture. We if we copy select and copy as a picture, it will become a image. Okay, then if we clear here, clear the results, then output area will be blank. See, output area will be blank. Then find is if we want to find some word or area word in this output, then you can get. Okay, then come table copy option. It is like this only. Okay, then preference. If you want to like our result is like black and white. If you choose preference, general preference, then go for classic. Then the background will be black. See. Okay, so I need to be uh, white is default standard. Okay, standard. Okay, now go for data. In this tab all are finished. Okay, let's go for data tab. In the data tab there are so many subtabs in the data tab, but today I will discuss about only about the describe tab in data tab. Okay, in describe tab there are 1 2 3 6. There are 6 subtabs in describe data sets. What is showing what it says, we'll discuss about it. We'll um, visualize it. Okay, um, first click on describe the data in memory or in a file. Our data is here, so this data is in memory. So in this memory, I'll check it. Its description. Okay, when I click on OK, here variables, if you want to select particular variable, then you can select, otherwise you leave it for all variables. Okay, then okay, see, after pressing describe, it looks like this. Observe how many observations are there. Okay, uh, then variables, how many, 13, size 2900, 6 April it is collected. Then go for the see, all variables are coming, and its description, like storage type, what type of data is this, display format, value label, so value label, then others is variable list. Okay, and similarly we go, if you go for its here shortcut key is describe. If only press describe, right, describe here, describe, then you press it the result will be same as like before. See, okay, so if you want to describe all the variables, you can write directly describe. Okay, then another is describe data contents or codebook. What it says, right, press there and leave it for all variables. Okay, then go for okay. See, it looks like similar, but it is one type of description, but it is codebook type of string, but longest is missing 0 to 50, unique values 50, example GMD, religion, religion type of numeric integers, level reg, range, unique value 4, missing values. It is also look like a description of a variable for all variables. Okay, then we go for another inspect variables. Okay, if inspect variable event for okay, then I go for C. Inspect variable means it is also one type of description of variable. Inspect state code of observation, number of observation, negative 0, total missing values, unique total numbers of observation. Okay, I should go for the preference change, then it will look like this. Okay, state observation number true, then go for list data. It will show you all the list of the data by state wise, because state is first variable, and state wise there are 50 states. 50 states, all state wise it shows all the variables. Okay, and its observations. Then go for compare list of name variables. Okay, list variables, it will show you all the variables name. Only it will listed all the variables. Then summary of statistics, all the variables. See, variable observation, mean, standard deviation, minimum value, maximum value, for all the variables. Okay, this is for today. I hope you understood. I hope you understood. If please subscribe this my YouTube channel for getting more videos on this. Okay, we'll see you next video. Thank you so much. Bye bye.